In this video, we're going to see some worked examples for the interior angle sum of triangles and polygons. So recall the sum of the interior angles of a triangle are always going to be 180 degrees, and of any polygon with n sides will be n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So let's see how that works out. In our first problem, I want to find x. I see a triangle. So I'll set the equation x plus 77. I'm going to drop the degrees. I'll bring them back in at the end. So plus 77 plus 51 equals 180. 77 plus 51 is 128. I'll subtract the 128 from both sides to solve for x. And I'll get that x equals 52. There's no degree marking here, so I need to include a degree marking there. Find the sum of the interior angles in the polygon below. So for this, I see a polygon. I need to figure out how many sides it has first. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. And that means that the sum of the interior angles will be 7 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 times 180 degrees will be 900. So my answer is 900 degrees. Find the value of x in the diagram below. So a few steps here. The first thing, I need to find the sum of all of the angles. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, which means the angles add up to 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees is 540 degrees. And now that I know what everything adds up to, I'll switch over and start looking at our specific values. So now I'll add up these 5 angles and make them equal 540 degrees. So I get x plus 141 plus 108 plus 110 plus 94 equals 540. Again, notice I sort of dropped the degrees. I'll bring it back at the end. Okay, let me move this over so I can see my work. So I need to do 141 plus 108 plus 110 plus 94. That gives me 453. So I have x plus 453 equals 540. And now subtract 453 from both sides. So I have 540 minus 453. And that will give me 87. So x is equal to 87. There's no degree marking on x, so I need to mark the degrees in my answer. Okay, find the value of x in the diagram below. So we're back to having just a triangle, and that means I can jump straight into solving it. I have x, 82 degrees, 51 degrees, so x plus 82 plus 51 equals 180. 82 plus 51 is 133. I will subtract 133 from both sides, and I'll get that x is equal to 47 degrees. Okay, find the sum of the interior angles. So let me count the number of sides. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, meaning that my formula, n minus 2, I'll have 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 times 180 degrees, I know I did it before, I'll just do it again. So 3 times 180 gives me 540. And that's my answer there. Final example. Find the value of x in the diagram below. So first I need to figure out what all of these should add up to. So I'll count the sides. I will do n minus 2, so 4 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 degrees is 360 degrees. And now I will set up my equation. So I have x plus 134 plus 88 plus 72 is equal to 360. Go to the calculator. 134 plus 88 plus 72 is going to give me 294. So I have x plus 294 equals 360. I will subtract 294 from both sides, and I will get 360 minus 294 should give me 66. There we go. So x is equal to 66 degrees. Again, there is a link in the description to the original video where I describe how I'm doing this in a little more detail. There will also be a link in the description to a worksheet so you can get some practice doing these problems.